Hi friends, today we are making how to make easy way to mask. We are take two clothes one by one. Okay. First inch, 2.5, 1 inch, 2 inch, 2.5 inch. Okay. Draw the straight line and draw again another straight line. Okay. We take the length 4.5 inch, 4.5 inch, and same we take the length 4.5 inch. Draw the straight line. This one downside, this one top side. So this one 1 inch we mark it. This one 1.5 inch. 1.5 inch we mark it. Okay. So we drawing dotted lines, and again we drawing dotted lines. Okay, and after we drawing cross line. And now we cut the same drawing. Okay. This one drawing, mask drawing. This is downside, this is top side. Another piece we also cut. Two cloths completed. Again we make another two cloths. Total 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now we stitching the mask. So first we choose same color thread, and bottom also color thread. Top also blue color and bottom white color. So now we start the again. Okay. Now fold. Okay. See this one line. Okay, this is finishing. Okay, we set in side. Again. Okay, we set this one. This inside cloth, this is outside cloth. Okay. Okay, now we get same. Two cloths are jointed now. Another side. two sides are completed, joining complete. Now that is okay. Okay. Again. Okay. Again. Okay. Again. Okay. So now again. Now again we fold. So folding easily. Fold it. Okay. At the same time, opposite side also we fold easily. Okay, easily. Okay, easily. Again we choose easily and easily. So now we put the thread. Okay, I take one thread. So divided the two parts. Okay. Okay. One thread one side, one thread one side. Okay. Okay. The thread is here. Okay, now it's complete. So to take, we show two sides. One side here, yes, and another side here. Two. Yes. So it is the mask. Okay. This is threads. Okay. Another side. Okay, now? Yeah, it's complete. Okay. Okay, we put the mask in my face. We arrange this, we wear the mask. First this, we wear the little girl. Okay. Look,
తర్వాత మార్గాలు